What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMC for AMC Entertainment, of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about the stock regularly on the channel here, not in a bullish way, though. If you've been tuning into the last couple of videos, there's nothing really bullish about the AMC stock. Don't let anyone fool you. Now, sure, are there little scalping opportunities in here? Yeah, absolutely, to the upside, but predominantly the prevailing trend is down, and you can see that based on our dominant trend line. Let me actually show you where that's coming from. It's these euphoric highs here, touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And now we're firmly far underneath that level. So to me, there's nothing really bullish about the stock. The only thing that this may have going for it as of right now would be the fact that we printed a hammer candle on the daily. So what that would indicate, right, is that buyers are stepping up once again at this nuanced sort of 21 level coming from this low right around in here. The other thing that might take a little bit more of a trained eye to see is that this technically is a higher low. And it's not like, that's not a guarantee, right, that this has to move higher. It's going to move into an uptrend, but it's one small little nuance to note here that we didn't move all the way to the low at around 21. So with that kind of out of the way, let's take a closer look at the 30-minute. And again, what that would indicate from the daily would be that there's potential for a dead cat bounce. Let me, throw direction in there as well. So that's the daily. Zooming in on the 30 now. Again, how did the structure unfold today? Balance back and forth, and then kind of rallying a bit more firmly into the afternoon. So to me, the fact that sellers had their chance, right? You can see that it was back and forth. There was volatility here. There was an opportunity for sellers to really pile on and make that equal low. The fact that it didn't happen is, again, starting to point very slightly to the possibility for a dead cat bounce follow-through move here. So what would be the upside target, right? Well, to me, it would be here. And the reason it's here is because that's where we have resistance from in the past, right? Dead cat bounce high there. It's also the daily high from last Friday. That's 24.16. The other thing I want to compare this to is the daily Fibonacci 38.2 coming in from the breakdown candle high down to the low of the move. And again, I literally cannot make this stuff up. Your 38.2 is the high of Friday. Again, I don't tell the chart where to go. It just is what it is, and it's perfectly aligning with our Fibonacci. So as long as we remain underneath that level, from the daily perspective, it's nothing more than a bear flag looking for a flush of 21 to get us closer to, as we know, that move way down below 1638 and realistically 1456, right? That's really where the euphoric base is from, when things went crazy. Let me just illustrate where that's coming from again, just so people believe me here. There's your breakout point, right? That is the 1456 level. There's a gap to fill at 1638, but if we've made the move that far already, I would imagine we're coming for a backtest of the base of the euphoric rally area. So those are my thoughts on AMC. Could there be a little bit of a dead cat bounce up and over this level here at 2277? Absolutely. But if we resist at 2416, we know that we really aren't doing anything significant from the daily perspective. We would look for further consolidation in this area and ultimately breakdowns underneath 21 to continue the daily downtrend. That's going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked down below in the description. And all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.